sparkling green body.
Melon, watermelon.
Long wavy dark green stripe.
Melon, watermelon.
Juicy, juicy, red inside.
Melon, watermelon.
1, 2, 3, 4 black seeds.
Melon, watermelon.
In this ever-changing world, humans have evolved to cater their needs. We're exposed to various factors that affect our overall health. On this video, we'll be talking about genetic mutation and its types.
But first, let's have a vocabulary steps, in which help the stork deliver the baby to his home. Match the words to their definition and it will serve as your path. Wow, you're right! Gene is a segment of DNA or RNA that contains instruction for building and functioning of living organisms. Yes, you are right! Gene mutation or mutation is a change or alteration in the sequence of a gene. Congratulations! You have delivered the baby safely. Then, let's go to our lesson proper, which is what is genetic mutation? Let's go!
What is genetic mutation? Genetic mutation is a change to gene's DNA sequence to produce something different. It is happened during the cell division when your cells make copies. The DNA sequence gives your cells the information they need to perform their function and how the body forms. It is like a manual for your phenotypic and genotypic characteristic. If part of your DNA sequence is in the wrong place, duplicated, inverted, ring or damaged, you might experience symptoms of genetic conditions such as cancer, Down syndrome, and albinism. Or they help humans adapt to their environment over time due to ever-changing environment conditions.
Then, let's talk about its two types. Genetic mutation has two types, the germline or hereditary mutation and somatic or acquired mutation, which are different in nature. A germline mutation, or also known as hereditary mutation, is a genetic alteration that occurs in the DNA of the reproductive cells, sperm or egg cells, that give rise to offspring. This type of mutation is passed down from one generation to the next and can be inherited by the offspring from their parents. Common example of it is Down syndrome, or also known as trisomy 21. Is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of an extra copy of chromosome 21 in the individual cells. This extra genetic material can cause intellectual disability, developmental delays, and certain physical features such as a flat facial profile. Down syndrome is the most common chromosomal disorder, occurring in approximately 1 in.
Somatic or acquired mutation is a genetic alteration that occurs in the DNA of a somatic, non-reproductive cell in the body after conception. Unlike germline mutations, which can be inherited by offspring, somatic mutations are not passed down to future generations because they occur in non-reproductive cells. Somatic mutations can be caused by a variety of factors, including environmental exposures like radiation and sun rays, errors during DNA replication, and lifestyle. Unlike germline mutations, it's not present in every cell of an individual's body, but rather only in the cells that underwent the mutation.
Common example of it is lung cancer. Lung cancer is a type of cancer that starts in the lungs, usually in the cells lining the air passage. The abnormal cells can grow and divide uncontrollably, forming a tumor that can interfere with the normal functioning of the lungs. Symptoms of lung cancer may include coughing, chest pain, shortness of breath, hoarseness, fatigue, and unexplained weight loss. Lung cancer is often caused by exposure to harmful substances such as tobacco smoke, air pollution, and radon gas. Smoking is the leading cause of lung cancer, accounting for about 85% of all cases.
Alright, have you learned anything? Okay, let's test it out through our crossword puzzle. Find the missing term in this crossword puzzle. We have clues put in the across and down lane. So, check it out.